For my 3D printing, I've been buying nylon trimmer string. It's about the most economical way I can make things. And the nylon holds up ridiculously well, so I've been pretty impressed with it. Some of the problems with nylon, though, are that it's hygroscopic, so it sucks up moisture from the air. So you have to dehydrate it before you can print with it, or else you'll actually build up steam pressure inside your heated nozzle and spew stuff out. So in order to make that possible, I printed a master spool, which is a spool that you can unscrew and take apart, and you can zip tie the coil of filament, the string, and take it off, dry it out, and then put it back on, screw everything back together, and put that on your printer and use it. So since I've been buying nylon in bulk, and I need to get it into the master spool so that I can zip tie it up and dehydrate it, it was a process that took about 15 to 20 minutes every time I needed to do it. And it was kind of a pain. So I created this, and I scavenged some parts from an old laminator that got ruined when our basement flooded and it got dirty. So I took it apart, and I was able to salvage the motor. It dried out, it worked okay, and the latex rollers. And then we printed up a not a gear reduction, it's actually a gears up instead of gears down, because the gear motor is only 4 RPMs. So anyhow, we've got that turning the roller, turning the spool, and then you can, put the other spool on a clamp on a chair and just kind of sit everything down and turn it on and walk away from it. I even scavenged the little power switch here so I could turn it off and on. I thought that was a nice touch. Ooh, let's see if I can focus. There it goes. Let's see. Power switch. Click. Yeah, so now I can turn this on. I can walk away and go do something useful, come back in another hour and take a look at it. It should be done. Awesome.